Hi, my name is Ali Shorosh, and welcome to Digital Art and Graphic Design using Photopea, a free beginner-friendly course designed to teach you how to think like a designer. This is not a typical tutorial. This course was recorded from a real online sessions I taught live to kids in Seattle, USA about 3 years ago. Before tools like ChatGPT and the rise of AI, it was created with passion, not just to show you how to click buttons, but to help you to understand the mindset of the designer and to solve problems and bring your ideas to life. In this course, we will be using Photopea, a free browser-based tool very similar to Photoshop. But there is a good part. You can use any design software you want. Photoshop, Krita, GIMP, whatever you want. It's not about the software. It's about how to think, learn, and create. So pick any tool you like and just come. This course includes 10 full sessions around 2 hours each, practical exercises and deep concepts, real interaction and real time learning, and creative challenges, and a lot of hand on design practice. Each video have a timestamps in the description and in the beginning of the video, so you can jump exactly to what you need: the tools, the theory, the exercises, or the discussions. We will explore many things: selections, gradient descent, layer style, smart objects and the type of layers, the vectors, the pixels, color correction, retouching, vector art, and many other tools. And also, we will learn about the graphic design principles and how the design world works, and a lot of tips and a lot of advices. And one more thing, this was my first time teaching in English, so my English isn't perfect at all, especially back then. But I put my heart in preparing and explaining everything with care and passion. So I hope to focus on the value, not the accent. Now I know that our attention spans are very short these days, but I encourage you to treat this course as a dopamine detox. It will help you a lot. Give yourself a space to focus and take your time and absorb the content deeply. Take it slow and don't rush through. The knowledge and skills you will gain are worth it. You don't need a perfect English, you don't need an expensive software. All you need is focus and curiosity and the will to learn and apply. By the way, this course is perfect for kids too. So feel free to share it with your children. They will love it and it's a great way to spark their creativity. A little fun fact, I took my first Photoshop course when I was 13. That was when I started my journey into design, and now I'm passing what I have learned over the years to you. And as Steve Jobs famously said, that you can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backward. So children today need someone from the future to help them connect the dots. And this course is a step in that direction. The full course includes 10 videos. You can either watch the full playlist right now if you are in a hurry, the link in the description for the full playlist. It's available now. Or you can wait for a new video to be released every week and you can follow up step by step on your pace. But the full playlist is now available and in the description for the full course, so you can jump and start anytime you want. If you like it, the idea of me sharing old recorded courses like this one, please tell me in the comments. So if many people interested, I will try to gather my courses and old records and old videos and we'll try to record the gaps if there is any and re-reproduce them in a YouTube playlist. So it will be a free courses for everyone to consume and learn from it. But please let me know if you want and if you're interested. So just drop me a comment and I will work on it. Start now your first lesson and follow the playlist to complete the course. And let's start your design journey together, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
By listening, you couldn't tell, so you sound like an expert, mashallah.
Thank you a lot.